on withourbest.com, and I received this for review, and I'm going to be unboxing this for the first time. These are the bags. Looks like one of the attachment units. Interesting. This must be a storage bag. The hose. Oh, this is really nice. It's super long. I like that. That's good on your back. User guide. Probably has warranty. Yep, a 1-year warranty. Something in here. Another attachment. Looks like it has some little wheels. Nice to on the floor. There's a third attachment I'm finding. Has a spin brush, some bigger wheels. This is the unit itself. It is really pretty, shiny. Looks like this is how it works. It just floats by using the air. And looks like you can wrap up the cord right here. Looks like that's the power button handle. A really long cord. And lastly, there's some more stuff in here. Some sort of, maybe for the hose, or to hold the attachments on. Here's a small attachment, good for probably curtains and bedspreads. Oh, this is a neat one. It's like a 2-in-1 thing, so this would be good for crevices. This would be good for spots that you don't want it to suck up. So maybe television, keyboard, little places. And this is even a bigger one for those in-between crevices, cleaning out your car, your stairs. Wow, one more attachment. So we've got a lot of attachments. I'll have to count them in the end. And so this is a nice one too. It's just kind of a mini one, so you don't have to have that bulky one everywhere. So that's what we've got in the AiRider box. And this is what it looks like. Putting together the AiRider is very easy. You just take the flex hose and then you put it into the canister and turn it right. It's a very tight fitting hose. And then over here you have the airflow regulator, which increases or decreases the flow of suction. And then this is the extension hose. It is really nice. It goes actually really far. You can open and close it to whatever length you like, depending on your height or what surface you're doing it under. And so it's really nice on your back to not have to stretch. How you turn it on is just by pushing the button. And as you can see, it's actually raised up from the ground, so it flows nice and easily. You can see that there's a layer of air in between. This has no wheels whatsoever. It literally just floats on air. Right now I'm using the hard surface accessory, and it glides really nicely on my hardwood floors. It picks up all the pet hair. As you can see, it just cleans the floor really easily, really smoothly. There is some wheels on the hard surface accessory, so it glides really smoothly on my floor. However, the canister is completely weightless. Like, it just moves around. It's totally weightless. It moves 360 degrees. It's very effortless. The gliding is really smooth. You can also get into the small crevices, like under these bar stools. It's really easy to reach places with this long hose. Again, here I want to show you how amazing this is. I've never seen a vacuum like it. It really just has a layer of air, and it flows so easily and so smoothly. This is an attachment that called the Pet Hair Turbo Brush, and it works great on the stairs. It works great actually for your pets. You can vacuum your pets with it. It's kind of a neat attachment. It's probably my most useful attachment in my home so far, just because we have so much pet hair. And it works really well. Again, the stair is clean. As you can see, there's some pet hair that gets in there, and I just take it out. This is another useful crevice tool. You can get in between those little small crevices. And here's an additional one. It's just a smaller version. It also comes with a little brush so you can get those more delicate places so it doesn't suck up as much. Here you can see I'm using that small dual crevice tool on the edge with the brush, and I'm cleaning out my keyboard. It works really well in kind of digging out where the buttons are and lifting up the hair and the dirt and kind of brushing it out, as well as vacuuming at the same time. It's really light and easy to use. You can use it on all kinds of surfaces, in between little things you don't want to completely suction up. This one is another brush. It's our small brush. You can use it on curtains like I'm doing here. It actually picks up really well without taking the whole curtain into it, which is like such a bummer when you're doing it. And then you can also use it for window seals. It's really limitless. I use it on the surface of my table for crumbs. It's just a fast and easy way to pick up crumbs. And on the dog bed, it picks up hair really nicely. Kind of gets stuck in the brush, but then you just pull it off and then keep going. So this brush can be used on the couch as well. Really, there's tons of surfaces for the AiRider vacuum. It's a great all-around useful whole house vacuum.